Welcome to this comprehensive guide on the Splunk chart command. The chart command is one of the most powerful tools in Splunk processing language for creating meaningful data visualizations. With this command, you can transform raw search results into beautiful bar charts, line graphs, and pivot tables. The chart command uses over and by clauses to organize and analyze your data effectively, making it an essential skill for any Splunk user working with data analysis and reporting. The chart command follows a specific syntax structure. You start with your search query, then pipe the results to the chart command. The basic syntax includes a function applied to a field, followed by the over clause to define rows, and optionally the by clause to create columns or series. The primary purpose of the chart command is to transform search results into statistical tables that are perfectly suited for charting and visualization. This transformation makes your data more readable and helps identify patterns and trends that might not be obvious in raw log data. Let's start with a simple bar chart example. Here we're searching the sales index and using the chart command with the count function over the status field. This query creates a vertical bar chart showing the count of records grouped by each status value. Bar charts are perfect for comparing categorical data, making it easy to see which status values appear most frequently in your data. The resulting visualization will display each unique status as a separate bar, with the height representing the count of events for that particular status. Line graphs are ideal for showing trends over time. In this example, we're querying the sales index and using the chart command with the sum function on the revenue field over the underscore time field with a span of 1 day. This creates a time series line graph that shows how revenue changes over daily intervals. Line graphs are particularly effective for tracking trends and patterns in your data over time, allowing you to identify peaks, valleys, and overall directional movement in your metrics. The by clause adds another dimension to your charts by creating multiple series. In this example, we're counting events over status by product. This creates a grouped bar chart where each status value has multiple bars, one for each product. This type of visualization is excellent for comparing categories across different dimensions simultaneously. You can easily see not only which status values are most common, but also how they differ between products, providing deeper insights into your data relationships. Pivot tables provide cross-dimensional analysis by showing data at the intersection of two fields. Here we're calculating the average price over category by region. This creates a pivot table where categories form the rows, regions form the columns, and the cells contain the average price values. Pivot tables are perfect when you need to analyze relationships between multiple dimensions simultaneously, giving you a comprehensive view of how different factors interact with each other in your dataset. The chart command supports various statistical functions that you can apply to your data. The count function returns the number of events in each group, which is useful for frequency analysis. The sum function totals numeric field values, perfect for calculating revenues or quantities. The average function computes the mean of numeric values, helping you understand typical values in each group. The max function finds the maximum value in each group, useful for identifying peak values or outliers in your data. Let's summarize the key concepts. The over clause defines the rows or x-axis of your chart, determining how your data is grouped horizontally. The by clause creates series or multiple lines and bars, adding a second dimension to your visualization. Most importantly, the chart command transforms your raw search data into a format that's specifically optimized for effective visualization and analysis. By mastering these concepts, you'll be able to create compelling visual representations of your Splunk data that communicate insights clearly and effectively. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.